Hey, this is Scott with Spring Hill Fox, and welcome back. And today I'm going to dive deep into the wild world of affiliate marketing in the most unconventional niches you can imagine. From pet fashions to cosmic meditators, I will explain how you can explore affiliate marketing and turn the quirkiest passions into profits. So buckle up because this is an affiliate marketing video unleashed. And don't forget to hit that share, that like, and hit that bell, and I'll see you in that video.
Okay. First stop, we've got the fashion forward fur ball, pet fashion. Fluffy tails, stylish bows, and tail wagging runaway shows. These pets aren't just pets, they're trendsetters, and guess what? Behind these adorable outfits lie a treasure trove of affiliate opportunities. Pet apparel to quirky accessories, this niche has affiliate partnerships waiting to be discovered. Imagine earning commissions while helping pet parents up their fur babies' fashion game. It's a win-win. Okay, now we're going to dive into underwater basket weaving. Yes, you heard that correctly. Underwater basket weaving, who knew this was an underwater art? Could also be a treasure trove of affiliate marketing. Dive deep into the world of tutorials, specialized tools, kits for this unique craft. By partnering with suppliers of the tools and even virtual workshops, you could be the bridge connecting enthusiasts with their waterway wonders. Okay, let's elevate our consciousness with cosmic meditation. It's not just about finding your Zen, it's about finding affiliate gold among the stars. Cosmic meditation, from crystals to incense to guided meditation apps, celestial themed yoga mats, the cosmic meditation niche is brimming with potential affiliate partnerships. Imagining empowering seekers to align their chakras while you align your bank account. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the weird and wonderful and the whimsical to uncover the hidden affiliate gems in unconventional niches. Who knew that pet culture, underwater weaving, and cosmic serenity could also bring in those affiliate dollars? Affiliate marketing isn't just limited to ordinary, it thrives in extraordinary too. So if you're ready to explore untapped territory and ride the affiliate wave in the most unexpected ways, hit that like button, subscribe, and for more quirky insights, and continue our unconventional affiliate adventure together. And this is Scott with Spring Hill Fox, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.